driving. I've been driving for like 4 hours, and I'm cranky. I'm cranky. The car's full of stuff. We're finally moving to Florida. Been waiting for this forever, and I'm cranky. I'm not having fun right now.
7 hours left to go.
Well, at least 7 hours. My teeth, I ain't been able to brush my teeth. They probably look like trash. Couldn't take a shower at the hotel because it was bad. We're somewhere in Alabama. I'm confused. It's not funny.
Hi guys. This is crazy. We're moving to Florida. Quentin's being grouchy. We're somewhere in Georgia. It's nerve-wracking.
Trees are green.
Yeah, the trees are green now. It's like 74 degrees.
Yep.
Quentin's in his shorts because we came from Missouri, so.
It's snowing up there right now.
Yeah, it's snowing up there right now. We have 6 hours left. 389 miles. We started out with 1,288.
I can't remember. It's over 1,000.
Yeah. Remember we started, we had 19 hours from my mother-in-law's house to go. So, we're on our way.
Yay.
Yay.
We'll splash the boat. Subscribe so you can see it.
Yep.
It's going to be awesome.
Bye, guys.
Just ate.
We're in Dawson, Georgia.
Dawson, Georgia. Yeah, that's where we're at.
About 5 hours and 45 minutes away.
Keep driving until you see palm trees. That's what we're doing.
Yep.
Can't wait. It's going to be exciting. I'll get some drone footage of the beach.
Oh yeah, I forgot we had a drone.
Yeah, we can
now.
use that drone. Yeah, we're going to fly out to sea.
No.
Look down at the sharks swimming.
Oh my god, I might get in the water then if I see sharks.
Yeah, get a fishing license. Use the drone to fly out the baits. That'd be awesome.
Yeah, can you do that?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Did I mention to subscribe and like the video? Check out my Patreon too. That would be awesome. I got a pretty lady.
Hi.
Yeah, it's awesome. The car's still full of stuff. It's 78 degrees here. Back where we moved from, it's 31.
And it feels like it's 24.
It feels like it's 24 up there. Man, I'm glad I came back home. So last time.
Welcome to Florida. There's a speed trap ahead.
Well, sorry this video wasn't very long, but we are in Florida finally. We'll be there 7:30. It's almost 4:30 now. So about 3 hours. And then we'll be splashing the boat on Monday. It's Thursday now. And don't forget to like and subscribe and check it out. Wow, see, there's some palm trees here. Hold the camera up to that window, show the palm trees. Oh, there's some more coming. Finally made it home.